Hi, I'm Michael Landis with the Wildflower Seed Company. Today I'm going to be showing you our garden scissors, specifically designed for garden use. They can be used on ornamental grasses, perennials and annuals, bonsai work, just about anything that needs to be cut in clumps or large masses versus just single stems. The scissors are ergonomically designed with stainless steel blades, fiberglass handles with a guard to protect your hand if you're working in irritated plant material, and TPR grips, which allows you to work for hours on end without getting blisters. Also, there's a lock for the handle which keeps it closed for safety purposes. Right now we're going to be cutting oregano, which has overgrown to a point where it's almost becoming a hedge. And so we're going to treat it as such. But you can see how these make nice clean cuts, very, very easy to use, and you're cutting more than you would if you were just using a pair of bypass pruners. I spent 5 hours in the garden the other day with these. I started out pruning our ornamental grasses. 5 hours later, I still had them in my hand. I was pruning everything back. As you can see, our garden scissors do a fantastic job. They can be purchased on our website, www.wildflower-seed.com. Happy gardening.